Okay class, let's solve this implicit differentiation. Yung una, di-differentiate natin to using product rule. So, sabihin natin this one is your f of x and yung y is your g of x. So, formula nito para dito lang is f of x, g of x, plus f of x, g of x, yung isa prime, isa ito naman yung prime, minus, kunin na natin yung derivative nito, that is 3y square y prime is equals to 0. Substitute natin ito, product rule. So, f prime of x, that is 1, gx is equals to y, plus f of x is equals to x, times g prime of y, g prime of x is equals to derivative of y, that is y prime, minus 3y square, y prime is equals to 0. Then yung prime, ilipat natin sa kabila, which means the derivative. Yung may prime ay iwan natin dito, yung walang prime lipat natin din sa bandang right. So matitira is xy prime, this one, minus 3y square y prime, ito, and then transpose this sa 1, that is negative y, magiging negative 1, y. And then common factor, yung y prime is equals to x minus 3y square is equals to negative y. So divide by x minus 3y square divided by x minus 3y square. So cancel, matitira dito is y prime is equals to negative y over x minus 3y squared. So this is the final answer. Okay?